Hi, I'm here with my roommate, Stickman Tim. And tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Tim, I'm a senior.
I do play games 24 hours a day. Guess what?
Perfect grammar. So Tim, what's your trick of maintaining such a nice body?
I think it's because I order McDonald's 24/7.
What's your biggest accomplishment so far?
Wait, let me think about it. I don't want to say nothing. Give me some time.
Maintaining body goals.
What?
Thank you, Tim.
I love you, Tim.
Hi guys, this is Stephanie Feng reporting from Zanzibar. In my hand is a figurine of the Monkey King, aka Sun Wukong, one of the most famous superheroes of Chinese folklore. Cloud leaping, shape-shifting, demon killing, and magic staff wielding. Monkey King is one of the most enduring Chinese literary characters. He first appears in the 16th century Chinese literary legend Journey to the West. In the folktale, he is a monkey born from the stone who has supernatural powers. After rebelling against heaven and being imprisoned under a mountain by the Buddha, he later joins the monk Tang Sanzang on the journey to retrieve Buddhist sutras from the West. The book is one of the great fantasy novels of world literature. It's a wonderful blend of historical facts, folk beliefs, Taoist and Buddhist traditions, held together by the figure of the Monkey King. The plotline of the novels is only a part of what makes Sun Wukong such an interesting superhero. His character itself is also what grabs the attention of its readers and viewers. Despite his superpowers, at the heart of the Monkey King's appeals is his human fallibility. He disobeys divine authority, laughs at attempts to be controlled, and leaves chaos in his wake. The Monkey King might be the only iconoclast in Chinese culture, a stark contrast to Confucian principles that emphasize hierarchy and control. He rebels, but he's not a mean-spirited. Rather, he has a healthy disrespect for authority and the establishment. Therefore, he remains one of the most beloved superheroes. Sun Wukong has become the inspiration for various anime and manga characters, namely Goku of Dragon Balls, Kogan of Star Singer, and many more. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning about one of my very favorite characters from Chinese folklore, Sun Wukong, the Monkey King.
Yes!
'It was a normal day for me. I was working on designing my robot.
Dude, what are you doing?
Oh no, it's Scott. The one who has been bullying me for a long time. I'm making my robot.
You look so stupid.
Sugar. This time I must get back. I failed once again.
What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do?
お前はもう死んでいる。何？